drive modes. Hear that? Sounds good. Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. Now the flickering that you see on the screens, that's just in the camera. That's not actually in person. We have 44,725 miles on the odometer. It's a non-smoker, black on red, has the window sticker laminated. So you'll see that in a little bit. It shifts really nice. Alignment's perfect, steering's nice and straight. You have the tinted front windshield, tinted sunroof, and the side windows, so full 360 tint, very nice. We are in sport mode. So it does have the exhaust mode, so you can quiet it down or make it a little bit louder, so like here in sport mode. Drivability is perfect though, no complaints whatsoever. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So you do have a window sticker here. It is laminated, 2022 GTS, jet black metallic with the red interior. This will be on the website, so you can check that out. $97,000 original MSRP. That will be included with the car. Looking at the front right wheel, you have some light rash on the edge. A little more rash here, a little bit there. Now all of that is repairable, so it's not a big deal. It can be easily fixed. 2023 date code, Pirellis. Bright red calipers, gorgeous, gorgeous color here. That looks good, nice and clean. Looking at the paint, that looks good. Bottom side's nice. Some very light surface scuffs right here. It's very, very subtle. Couple rock chips. Dark window tint. Overall, that looks good. Here on this wheel, some very light rash on that bottom side. The rest of that looks good. Tint looks nice. Gloss black pillars. Beautiful color. You're gonna have some little rock impacts, little chips on the front end. Just small stuff from just everyday driving. These headlights look good. Typical rock impacts, like I said, on that front. No damage larger than just a couple little scuffs and rock chips. Yeah, so nothing's broken. No large gashes or anything like that, just all subtle stuff. Little chip there, a couple little scuffs. Overall, that wheel looks good. Pirellis, like I said, 265/40/21. Date code 2023. And the front windshield is tinted as well. You have a ding right there with a little chip. It's pretty small. A couple of light little scratches right there. That does catch my nail. You have some light rash here. With that machined finish, it does hide it a little bit. A little rash there. Gorgeous taillights. And then here on the back, you do have some little scuffs from just getting things in and out. Little marks. Taillights look good though. Got the black exhaust tips, got a tow package. Here on the interior, you got the red, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Non-smoker, Got the GTS on the headrest, panoramic roof. Beautiful color. 44,000 miles. Looking at that door panel, got the brushed metal look here, looks good. Memory seating. These buttons look nice. Couple little marks and little scuffs from getting in and out, just everyday use, but otherwise that looks good. Got that brushed metal look here on that trim plate, all-weather mats. Here on that bolster, a little bit of wear on that edge just from getting in and out. Same there, but very minimal. Automatic headlights. Looking at the upper side of the dash. That looks good. Got the massive screen. Gauges look good. You have a phone mount here in the middle. Looks really nice. Got the LED lighting up here. Here on this door panel, a couple little marks. Upper section looks good. That's all nice and clean. Lots of storage. Memory seating right here. Got the all-weather mat. This trim looks awesome. Buttons here look good. Bolster looks nice. Then here on this little dash piece, you do have a little ding right there on that brushed metal. The rest of that looks good. Upper side of the dash looks nice. Massive panoramic roof, and that looks tinted as well. So this cabin will be nice and cool. On this door panel, looks good. Got the all-weather mats. Now you do have some little indentions here. They probably had a car seat of some sort, so you're gonna have those little impressions in the leather. You got the cup holders in there. That looks good. Rest of that leather looks really nice. These are heated. Looks good. Here on this door panel, looks good. Trim looks nice. Bottom of the seats look perfect. I don't see any little indentions there, so it probably just had the car seat on that side. That looks good. Like I said, they're heated. And here in the cargo section, you have the all-weather mat. Looks good. LED lights. And then you have the buttons here. You can actually raise and lower the suspension in the back to make it easier to get stuff in and out. You got the cover here. I do see some little scratches on the window tint. And then, of course, it is power. Gonna scan through the engine bay here. All the plastics have been fully protected. Freshly detailed. Looks awesome.